Langchain versus Llamaindex, which is better for building AI apps. So today we're breaking down the two most popular frameworks for building local and connected AI applications. Both are designed to help developers integrate large language models with external data, but they approach it in a very different way. So let's see which one fits your workflow best. Right, so let us talk about the Langchain first. It was built as a compositional framework for chaining multiple LLM operations together, like prompt, templates, agents, memory, and tools. Its main goal is to make complex AI workflows modular and reusable. And Llamaindex, on the other hand, was created to bridge the gap between LLMs and private or custom data. Its core strength lies in efficiency indexing, retrieving and updating large datasets so your model can reason over them with precision. So while Langchain is about workflow orchestration, Llamaindex focuses on smart data management and retrieval. And in terms of the ease of use, getting started with Llamaindex is generally easier. Its high-level API lets you load documents, build index, and start querying within minutes. It's extremely beginner-friendly for anyone wanting to connect an LLM to PDFs, databases, or APIs quickly. And Langchain, however, has a steeper learning curve. It's more modular and flexible, but that flexibility means you'll spend time understanding prompts, chains, and agent structures before getting the results you want. If you're looking to experiment fast, Llamaindex is more intuitive, but if you want deep control and customization, Langchain wins. And now integration and flexibility. Langchain is built like a toolkit. It integrates with OpenAI, Anthropic, Llama, Hugging Face, and tons of other APIs, making it ideal for custom workflows that span multiple services. You can mix and match retrievers, vector stores, and agents however you like. And Llamaindex, meanwhile, specializes in data connectivity. It works seamlessly with most databases, cloud storage providers, and local files. It's especially powerful for retrieval-augmented generation pipelines, where context precision matters more than multi-agent complexity. So if your focus is in fine-grained data retrieval or updating dynamic data sources, Llamaindex is more optimized. But if you're building a multi-step AI assistant that calls APIs, runs reasoning loops, or executes tools, Langchain gives you the power you need. Now guys, in terms of performance, let's see. So Llamaindex here tends to be lighter. Retrieval tasks, its indexing layer allows faster responses when dealing with large document sets. It also coaches results and supports incremental updates efficiently. And Langchain, however, can get slower when chaining multiple LLM calls together, especially if you're using agents that rely on many reasoning steps. The trade-off is control. You can monitor and optimize each component, but you'll have to manage complexity manually. So if you're running a high-throughput RAG pipeline, Llamaindex performs better. For a custom logic or reasoning-based apps, Langchain's architecture is more scalable long-term. And now guys, let us discuss the community and ecosystem. So Langchain currently has the large ecosystem. It's supported by a massive developer community, hundreds of integrations, and official documentation backed by active updates. And Llamaindex, though smaller, has a fast-growing open-source base with strong support for AI setups, and it's often preferred for hybrid cloud or private data workflows. Both are evolving rapidly, and you'll often find them working together, Llamaindex handling the retrieval, and Langchain managing the chain or agent orchestration on top. So now to sum it up, guys, to use Langchain if you're building complex multi-step AI agents or need modular customizable workflows, and use Llama if your main goal is efficient retrieval, context management, and local data integration. So if you're serious about building production-ready AI apps, combining both often gives you the best of both worlds. Llamaindex for retrieval, and Langchain for orchestration. So both frameworks are powerful, but your choice depends on whether your priority is data access or workflow control. Let me know in the comments which one you're using and why. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.